What?
Cast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station.
What did I just tune into?
An alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information.
There.
This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air.
Found and cloudy and 30 minutes radio broadcast or visit weather.gov. This NOAA weather radio station. Weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily on the air storm watch. Sunday afternoon through Monday morning. Heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulations of 3 to 5 inches possible. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning commute. Monitor the latest forecast for updates on this situation. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes. Visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily on the air. Please tune to an alternate weather.
I only got 3 of the batteries out. No, I didn't.
Weather information.
Whoa!
This is a DAC maintenance test. 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 This is a D.
Whoa! This station is going crazy. Kind of EAS.
Alternate weather radio broadcast.